Hey everyone, and welcome back. Have you ever felt like your business is a runaway train and you're just barely hanging on, trying to keep it on the tracks? You're not alone. Most entrepreneurs don't fail because their ideas are bad. They fail because their success depends entirely on them. Every sale, every decision, every single move is powered by your own two hands, your hours, your energy. It's exhausting. But here's the secret that separates the amateurs from the true industry leaders. The pros don't just chase success, they engineer it. They build systems that turn their effort into predictable outcomes, even when they're asleep. Today, I'm going to show you how to move from the chaos of doing everything to building a well-oiled machine, a system that multiplies your results, removes the guesswork, and turns your business into a predictable engine for growth. This isn't just theory. This is the blueprint used by real founders, creators, and CEOs. From giants like Elon Musk to the smaller, silent operators who are scaling their businesses quietly behind the scenes. So, if you're ready to stop being the busiest employee in your own company, let's build your system. Every business journey starts in what I call survival mode. You hustle, you grind, you do it all. And that's completely normal at the beginning. But staying in that mode is lethal. You are supposed to outgrow the hustle. See, hustle builds momentum, but systems build empires. Think about McDonald's for a second. It's not the best burger in the world, right? But it's arguably the best system for making and delivering burgers consistently anywhere on the planet. Or look at Amazon, a company built on incredibly complex systems that manage logistics, recommendations, and customers at a scale no single human could ever manage manually. Now, take a hard look at your own business. What parts of it depend entirely on you? Is it the sales calls, the content creation, client delivery? Those are your bottlenecks. And guess what? Your freedom, your ability to scale, is hiding right inside those bottlenecks that you've unintentionally created. So how do we break free? Every great system starts with identifying your core engine. This is the one process that produces 80% of your results. For some, it's lead generation. For others, it's product creation or maybe client onboarding. To find yours, just look at where your biggest wins come from. Once you've identified that process, break it down into simple, repeatable steps. Then, you can automate, delegate, or document each step until it can run without you needing to be there. Let me give you a real-world example. I knew a digital marketing agency owner who used to spend 6 hours every single day just managing ads. He was completely bogged down. So, he built templates, he automated his reporting, and he hired one assistant. Now, that entire system runs itself while he focuses on scaling his client base. When you find your core engine, you've found your greatest point of leverage. The next phase is beautifully simple. If you do something more than twice, it's time to either automate or delegate it. We live in an incredible era of AI and tools that can do the heavy lifting for you. Use tools like Zapier for workflow automation, Notion or ClickUp for documenting your processes, and even ChatGPT for drafting customer replies, creating templates, and summarizing information. Motion AI can handle your scheduling and help you prioritize your day. Automation doesn't just save you time. It frees up your mind to think strategically instead of reactively. And delegation? It's not about giving away control. It's about multiplying your control. When you empower other people to run the systems you've designed, you transform from being the operator, stuck in the machine, to being the architect, designing the future of your business. But here's a critical piece of the puzzle. Every system will eventually die without a feedback loop. Great founders know this. They listen to the data. You need to set clear metrics for every single process in your business. Track the outcomes relentlessly. Then, refine, improve, and repeat. That's what Tesla does with its manufacturing. That's what Amazon does with its logistics. And that's what your business must do, whether you're a one-person brand or a 500-person team. The feedback loop is how you turn chaos into precision. Once your system is working and you've got that feedback loop humming, it's time to scale. But scaling isn't about adding more chaos. It's about multiplying consistency. The key here is to build systems inside of systems. Your marketing system should seamlessly feed your sales system. Your sales system should automatically trigger your fulfillment system. And your fulfillment system should feed data back into your feedback loop, creating a virtuous cycle of improvement. This is how you create unstoppable momentum, not by doing more, but by making every part of your business support every other part. This is how small, scrappy businesses become market leaders. Ultimately, the truth is that your business is just a reflection of your thinking. If you think like an employee, you'll always be stuck working in the machine. But if you start to think like a designer, you can build the machine. The highest ROI in business isn't fancy ads, new tools, or clever hacks. It's systems. Because systems are what make freedom possible. And freedom, real freedom, is the only true measure of success. So, I challenge you to start today. Automate just one task. Document one single process. Create one small, repeatable win. If you do that every day for a month, I promise you won't even recognize your business anymore. This is how momentum becomes mastery. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you work smarter, earn faster, and live better. I'll see you in the next one.